Welcome to the first tutorial video for BaseFortify. Let's get started right away. Go to BaseFortify.eu and click Start for free. Complete the short sign up. BaseFortify is agentless. There's nothing to install. Set up your 2FA when prompted, then sign into your dashboard. Manually adding components. Let's add the components you want to track. Open My Components. This is the list of software and systems you want BaseFortify to track. Select Add Components to begin. You can add items one by one, or paste a list to add them in bulk. For manual entry, provide the vendor, product, and version. Pick the component type and leave status as active. Assign components to a node to keep related items together for reporting and triage. Adding components in bulk. For bulk add, choose your operating system, copy the command, run it, then paste the output here. BaseFortify parses vendor and product names automatically. Review the list and make any adjustments. Then assign the items to a node and save your changes. Your components are now tracked. Next, we'll move to My Threats to review and manage the findings. Threat Triage. Open My Threats to triage matches and guide remediation. Each row shows the CVE and risk indicators, the affected component, and your status and remarks. Open a threat to acknowledge it by moving New to Open, add a brief remark, and set in progress when work starts. Use the mitigation information to guide your next steps, and ask the built-in AI assistant if you need more context. Archived and ignored status. When remediation is done, mark completed. After an interval, archive to keep your list clean. Archived items are hidden unless you filter for them. Use ignored for a temporary hide. It isn't a completed fix but instead means the threat does not currently apply. Bulk edit threats. To save time, select several items and use bulk edit to set status and remarks for all of them at once. Finally, use filters to focus on what matters, by status, component, or risk, and include archived or ignored only when you need them. That's the workflow. Set status to open to acknowledge the threat, then progress, complete, and finally archive the threat. BaseFortify keeps watch on your assets and turns CVEs into a workable queue. Stay on top of what matters, and let the platform handle the noise. Create your free account at BaseFortify.eu and subscribe for more quick tutorials.